My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Yoga for Men morning stretch routine. You do not want to miss this one. Are your shoulders feeling tight? Your lower back, your hamstrings, your hips? We are going to do a full body weight flow here to address all those areas. It's great for everybody, all ages, all fitness levels. Guys, we got to get into yoga, bring more guys into yoga. That's why I'm doing these videos. If you agree, click that like button, and I'll see you in 2 and 2 over by the lake.
Is there anything this man can't do?
Oh, the fish are out today, my friends. Let's begin with a hero mudra, stretching the quads. We're gonna sit back on the heels. You can always modify as needed at any time. Now lace the fingers together behind. We're gonna open up the chest and the shoulders. Drop the shoulders back, relax the jaw. We're gonna breathe in the nose and out the nose. You can hold these poses and stretches however long you wish. Drop them back. If you're able, bring your palms together. If this is a little too much, cross your arms right here. But a good postural fix is essential right away in the morning, before your workouts, whatever you're doing. Drop those shoulders back. Open up the rib cage. Open up the breath. Breathe in the nose and out the nose. Take your eyes up to that birch tree. Little shimmy side to side. Nice quad stretch, also working the hip flexors and hip extenders. Now exhale, hinge forward. Inhale, lift up. Activating the back and the abdominals. Exhale, hinge forward. My hands are slippery from the sunscreen and the bug spray, both of which are essential for being outside. And 2 more times. Hinge and lift, and once more, hinge and lift. All right, release, take the arm across, shoulder stretch, neck is loose, and other side. You can move the arm up and down a little bit. Great for your shoulders, for your traps, for your upper back. Other side, those tight areas from a lot of sitting, a lot of hunched over work, perhaps being on a little screen, a tablet, a phone, which is just deadly to our posture and our energy and our focus. Bring it across. All right, cow face stretch. I'm gonna have to turn around for this one, so watch out. Extend the legs out if you want, or sitting cross-legged. Take either arm, bring it right here on the upper back. Other arm comes below. If you're able, bring the hands together, or bring a washcloth or a towel that you can grab onto, or your shirt, and release down. Little sway side to side, keep the low back nice and loose. Perfect in the morning. Get the blood flowing, release tension in your neck and shoulders. You don't spend your whole day bowing down to that tension and letting it zap all of your energy, all of your focus. All right, other side. Hand comes to the back, other arm around, and find your cow face. That's the name of it. Remember that, you won't forget. 5 breaths. Oh, there we go. Got some nice tension in the back muscles, in the lats. My sister-in-law got a Pilates reformer machine, so I've been playing around on that quite a bit. Feels great. Definitely feeling some soreness in different areas, which I love. A big one is my back muscles. Beautiful cow face stretch. All right, release. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. We're gonna go to child's pose and down dog. Open up the back of the body. Lots of deep breathing. Take the knees back, stretch it out. Decompression in the spine. At your own speed, you're gonna tuck the toes and then lift up into down dog. Pressing back, release the neck. neck and shoulders, work the heels towards the mat, and then the knees come down. Again, back and forth. You can keep the toes tucked if you like. Let me go forward a little bit, or I'm gonna go right off into that tree. Like George of the Jungle. Knees down, stretch, stretch, stretch. This is back maintenance, back massage, back therapy. Also hamstrings and calves. All the areas guys need to stretch, need to make more mobile, more effective, more functional. Let's do 2 more of each. Deep breathing in the nose, out the nose. Stretching the legs, the quads as well. And 1 more of each. Keep it flowing, keep it moving. Back we go, back we go. And then come forward and down, hands under the shoulders, cobra. We lift up, cobra to reverse scorpion. So rise up, now lower down, roll onto your left side, the right leg comes across. This might be a little wonky at first. I was trying to explain the other day what wonky meant to my son. I think we got it, like the wonky donkey. And now come back to the center. Again, cobra, or you can press all the way up into up dog, knees are down, or bring the knees off the mat. Make sure your shoulders are down. And then roll onto your right side. Left leg goes across. Huge lying twist right here. Unlocking that tight low back, reaching the IT band, and opening the chest and the shoulders, which is so essential to every breath we take in this life. And again, reverse scorpion. Howdy. Because I got the sun in the morning and the moon at night. I've got the sun in the morning and the moon at night. Train any place, anytime. And to the side. Reverse scorpion. You can always pause the video. Remember, it's all yours. Pause it and hold these longer. Practice them more. Think of it as a workbook. 1 more time each side. It's your workbook. Make notes. Underline things. Remember things. Write out quotes. Write out exercises. Keep a fitness journal. And to the center. The fish are quiet now. And 1 more time each side. I think they're all watching. There's that twist. Oh, that stretch. Wrists, ankles, chest, shoulders, everything. Opening up and releasing. Youthening yourself, my friends, in real time. Okay. Downward facing dog. Bring it back, bring it back. Work your way into it, whatever movements you have to do. Swaying side to side. Excellent, my friends. Think of a guy who really needs these kind of stretches. Share this video with them. Keep it going, keep it moving. All right, lunge position. Right foot forward. You could drop the back knee if you want, or keep it. Lengthen. Lunge with a side bend. So you're gonna come up, lace the fingers together, press the palms up, and then sway to the right. So sway towards that front leg. So working the quad, the hip flexor, the balance, the core, and then stretching the sides. Allow me to tip over into the grass. All right, bring it back to center. Pull the arms back and down. Cactus arms. You see the theme of keeping everything open. Hands down, step back to down dog. Get that bug off my foot, and then left foot forward, lunge. Find the lunge first. You can hold the lunge to start. Then as you get more proficient, more experience, we add the side bend. Keep the legs strong, keep the foundation of the lunge strong as you add the bend. Always focusing on the good posture. The shoulders are relaxed, the palms are up, the legs are sturdy. All right, cactus arms. Bring it down, step back, downward facing dog. Let's do that once again, each side. Right foot forward. A goal to reach is to do this for about 2 minutes straight. Just keep flowing back and forth, working your endurance, your mental fortitude, and the sweat. Hands down, back, other side, and side bend. 2 breaths. Okay, now step it out. Sumo squat. Toes pointing on a diagonal, hands on the legs. Great way to open the hips and to enjoy my capris. Yeah, add a twist if you like, dropping the shoulder down. Working the legs, the glutes, the hips, the ankles, and of course, a nice rotation in the center. Little side bend happening, little side lunge rather, but not the full one, not today, not today. All right, bring it to downward facing dog. Got one more. Big stretch here. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Definitely one of the favorites out there. You can do this one. It'll unlock so much more that you can do. We're gonna start with Pigeon. So right leg forward, opening the hip as much as you comfortably can. Left leg sliding back. There we are, hands down. Keep it here if you like. Shimmying side to side, massaging the hip, the glute, the lower back. The add-on, the optional add-on is take the left forearm down and then bend this back leg. Keep it there or reach this arm back, grabbing the top of the foot, right on the toes. Now as you exhale, you pull that heel towards you and you twist. Inhale, release slightly. Exhale, pull that slot machine. Get 3 of a kind right here. And the winner is your body. It's your life, it's your movement, it's your breath, your focus, your abilities to be a better dad, better friend, neighbor, spouse, worker. There's a bug on my chin. How's that feel? Do you feel that on your quad right up there? Yeah. Yeah, that's the stuff. All right, let's go to the other side. Whew, it is heating up out here. And it's not just the poses. Okay, we're in our Pigeon. Shimmy, shimmy, moving side to sides, massaging the hip flexor, and if you want to go further, it's your right forearm, bend, back leg, and here we are. Twist and pull. Exhale, twist as you pull. Inhale, lift. I'd like to get a house right across this lake. Let's make that happen. And I could swim across it, come over here and film, like the instructor in couples retreat. Encouragement, my friends. All right, one more breath. One more breath. Pull and twist. Everything stretching, everything releasing, everything strengthening. And take it back. Child's pose. Stretch it out. All right, my friends. Thanks so much for joining me. If this workout helped, please click that like button. It helps get this video out to more and more people. I really appreciate that. Subscribe now if you're not, and click that notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. It's been a pleasure. Keep practicing, and as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Hey, I love training with you. Here's what I'm gonna do. I wanna give you my most popular yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you have to do is click the first link down below and it's yours. Do it right now.